Turning now to a Supreme Court decision adding to the uncertainty for immigrant communities across the country and here at home.
The court ended temporary protected status known as TPS for hundreds of thousands of Haitians and thousands of Syrians here in America. While the ruling applies directly to those groups, immigration advocates say its impact could eventually extend much further.
NBC4's Amber Frias live from downtown L.A. to explain. Amber?
Hey, Kathy, Jonathan, yeah, that's right. Advocates say that this Supreme Court ruling is much more than just two countries. They say this could potentially reshape the future of the TPS program. And so that's why today, Carecen, a local nonprofit that supports our Central American community here in Los Angeles, held a seminar where they provided legal support and resources to all those under the TPS program.
We're here today giving information and urging TPS holders to meet and sit down with an immigration attorney here at Carecen or other nonprofit organizations to be able to see if there's any legal options for their individual cases.
Earlier this week, the Supreme Court allowed the Trump administration to move forward with ending TPS for the more than 300,000 Haitians and about 6,000 Syrians. This even as lawsuits challenging those decisions continue. TPS, or Temporary Protected Status, is a program that was created in 1990. The program allows people of countries that are experiencing dangerous conditions like war or natural disasters to receive a temporary legal status in the U.S. It also allows them to work. Haitians were first granted temporary status in 2010 after the 7.0 earthquake that devastated the country and killed more than 200,000 people just days before. Syrians were granted TPS in 2022 following the outbreak of the Syrian war. For the hundreds of thousands of Haitians and Syrians now affected, the ruling could eventually mean losing work authorization and protection from deportation. But immigration advocates say the broader significance is the legal precedent this ruling could leave on the program. In the last year, the program has been terminated for at least 6 countries, including Venezuela, Nicaragua, and Afghanistan. Many worry other countries could be next, among them Salvadorians, who have held TPS since earthquakes devastated the country in 2001. Here is Lorena Cepeda, a Salvadorian TPS holder.
We're living here for more than 2 decades, 3 or 4 decades, and we build our families here in this country. We don't have some of us. We don't have any family in our countries. We don't have house in our countries either, and we are living here for a long time.
And to be clear, the Supreme Court ruling doesn't change protections for TPS, for Salvadorians with TPS, only for Syrians and Haitians. Now, both countries will have their protections expire on Tuesday, leaving hundreds of thousands of people exposed to deportation. Reporting live from downtown L.A., Amber Frias, NBC4 News.
Amber, thank you.